Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Litecoin number 1, followed by Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Uni, PEPE, ONDO, and then we're ending with Monero at number 30. Let's get straight into it. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. Litecoin is still under the skinny pink line for the time being. We're still in a downwards trend. So any signs of a reversal? Nope. Litecoin against USD, we have a target towards the upside 195. We're still expecting the target to be hit. The skinny pink line served as a support, and then we bounce off of it. Any clear chart patterns for us to trade from? There's no clear tradable chart patterns, right? We actually did drop, hit the skinny pink line, bounce back up furiously, formed a hammer. Could we just consolidate and just, form a bigger, maybe like a, I don't know, inverse head and shoulders here, maybe? And after that, we break higher. Sure, of course, but as it stands, 195 is still valid for Litecoin. Polkadot against BTC. Here we are for DOT. It keeps going lower and lower. Any signs of a reversal? Nope. Against USD, Polkadot is still down. Oh my god, we are almost going to be taking out all of these classes of cells. Will we start bouncing up from here? I don't know, bros. I don't know. Best case scenario is we form a squeeze over here, right? Something like an A, B, C, D, E, and then we break higher, right? Best case scenario. Will we get there for Polkadot? I don't know, bro. And if we do get that, then hey, we could be looking at $20. But as it stands, we still don't see it yet, so stay safe. I mean, once you see weakness against BTC, yeah, it'd be safer not to be, going long when it's still in a bearish trend. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for BCH, BTC. We are still in a downward trend. We form a new all-time low. There are still no signs of a proper reversal yet. We were hoping for this to be a squeeze, but it took up these lows. So, yeah, such is life, bro. Such is life. Bitcoin Cash against USD. Coinbase, Bitcoin Cash against USD on Coinbase. Yeah, so just a gentle reminder that Bitcoin Cash is still in a big, absolute gigantic squeeze over here. Right? A, B, C, D. We're anticipating a wave E to complete. Once the wave E is done, we're expecting a breakout. And even if it were to break out, right, I don't think it's going to take out these highs immediately. Right? There'll still be consolidations as we go higher, right? If it is a strong breakout. But as it stands, it doesn't really look that good. And we've already taken out these lows. So, and we're also under the skinny pink line. So I would assume that there will be significant downside for Bitcoin Cash. And if we were to drop lower, where will we find support? Again, pure guessing is around 250, plus minus 250. This is a very, very big noisy area. So you will find proper support here as well, right? You can still drop a little bit, you will still find support as well, because this is very, very noisy. Again, if we take out these lows, we're coming back down here. So, so we'll see how things go, right, for Bitcoin Cash. Hopefully this is something that we can track though. Very nice wave E would be awesome, right? Just doing nothing and then pump, we break. Hanging around right under the nose of the resistance line. This would be awesome. So that's Bitcoin Cash for you. Mantra. Has been enjoying a super duper bull run, right? It's already up tremendously. We're still above the skinny pink line, and the trend is still bullish for BTC. Against USD, has been on a reaper from the very lows to the very highs. Is already up more than 35,000%. 35,000%, which means that if you have $1,000 over here, this will be $355,000 from 1,000. Crazy stuff. If you have 10k, this will be 3.5 mil. So that's just how insane is. The reason why is rising so bananas, right? Is going bananas is because it's involved with UAE a lot, and so yeah, there's a lot of money backing up so that's why it is rising so crazily. But in any case, eventually I still would anticipate to face significant downturn eventually when the bear trend sets in. Just monitor the skinny pink line. Once we break it, more likely than not, we will be heading lower. How much lower could we be going to? My expectation is 10 cents. 10 freaking cents. So if anything, you should be waiting for the bear trend to begin for OM first. Whether if it's going to be resilient or not would depend on the whales and the team at OM. This will tie into 702 here. I'm expecting 10 cents for OM eventually. Again, it's still very early days, right? It'll probably take several months, maybe even years, but yeah, eventually it will still correct. 10 cents, again, 10 cents is just a possibility, right? Uni against BTC continues to form lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. So it's a downward trend, right? When the trend is down, it just keeps seeing lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower low, lower low, lower low. Yeah, so no signs of a bullish trend reversal yet for Uni BTC, which will translate to weakness for Uni against USD. And Uni is back under the skinny pink line. Sadly. So any signs of a reversal yet? No. What's this? It's not a chart pattern. Oh my god. So that's Uni for you. Yeah, there's just nothing much for us to work with for Uniswap. PEPE against USD is not looking good. Why? Because we're already under the skinny pink line. Right? And PEPE is in the midst of completing a head and shoulders here. That's my take. A right shoulder is in the making. Once we complete the right shoulder, very likely to drop lower for PEPE. How much lower? My guess is about 130, sub 150, I would say. Right, sub 140, sub 150. Yeah, so watch out for the right shoulder. This is an opportunity for the short of a lifetime as it goes down to potentially 100 and roughly 130, I would say, roughly. So this will be an 87% decimation. So, so there's an opportunity over here for PEPE. It's just very bearish. So more downside is to be expected for PEPE. ONDO against USD. ONDO is, look at it on gate. Also touching the skinny pink line. ONDO could also be forming a very slanted type of head and shoulders. But we've already touched the skinny pink line. Still, this is not what I would consider as a bearish sharp pattern yet. If we drop all the way down here to like 65 cents and then we bounce, and yes. Skinny pink line starts curving down. We get a very clear support line. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, palm. We drop lower. Drop lower to where? First level will be 30 cents. After that, it could be even 10 cents though. But as it stands, yeah, we will have to wait for the chart pattern to complete first. But if anything, I'm leaning towards the bearish side for ONDO. Monero. Okay, Monero just hit targets. We had a target over here for Monero, 240. We've already hit it. Ta-da! These were targets that we acquired way back in September 2024. And Monero is just slowly crawling its way out towards the targets. We see Monero, collapsing. Yeah, sure, of course. But as it stands, we're heading towards potentially 326, right? This is very weak, to be honest. But we've already broken out, right? Unless, of course, we start breaking back down again for Monero. As it stands, yeah, no. It's still looking good. We're still above the skinny pink line. So we're going to proceed with our bullish bias for Monero. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!